SpaceX's latest rocket blasted off tonight on its first test flight carrying a red sports car on an endless road trip past Mars. The Falcon Heavy rose from the same launch pad used by NASA nearly 50 years ago to send men to the moon, accompanied to the sounds of David Bowie's Space Oddity. With liftoff, the 60 million pounds Heavy became the most powerful rocket in use today, doubling the liftoff punch of its closest competitor. Two of the boosters were already recycled and programmed to return for a simultaneous touchdown at Cape Canaveral, while the third, brand new, set its sights on an ocean platform some 300 miles offshore. SpaceX chief executive Elon Musk owns the rocketing 2008 Tesla Roadster, which is shooting for a solar orbit that will reach all the way to Mars. The longer the flight, he noted, the more the company would learn. Musk has plenty of experience with rocket accidents, from his original Falcon 1 test flights to his follow-up Falcon 9s, one of which exploded on a nearby pad during a 2016 ignition test. The Falcon Heavy is a combination of 3 Falcon 9s, the rocket that the company uses to ship supplies to the International Space Station and lift satellites. Not counting Apollo moon buggies, the Roadster is the first automobile to speed right off the planet. At the car's controls is SpaceX's Starman, a dummy in spacesuit. First, the Roadster needed to survive liftoff, no small feat for a rocket hot off the factory floor. Then it has to endure cosmic bombardment on its several hours of cruising through the highly charged Van Allen radiation belts encircling Earth. The car could then be traveling between Earth and Mars neighborhoods for 1 billion years, according to the high-tech billionaire. SpaceX has decided against flying passengers on the Heavy and instead will accelerate development of an even bigger rocket to accommodate deep space crews.